So it's Labor Day weekend. Knew it'd be too crowded to take the boat out to the river around the jetties here. So I decided I'd grab the kayaks and grab my two boys, Griff and Eli, and we go hide up in the end of some creek somewhere. So we did go. We took our cast net, a little bit of shrimp. Bait was so easy to catch with the cast net, and the fish were biting today. As you can see, we brought some fish home. We caught a lot more fish than this, most of them small. But anyhow, if you got some time, watch the little video, and I'm commenced to cleaning all these fish. Oh, by the way, that's not my Porsche. My neighbors are rich, not me. Should probably do it for now. All right, get all those suckers in there. Those are beautiful size. These are perfect sizers.
Do you want me to put water in here?
Yeah, you can put the fish in there first and then put water in.
But it's gone, my eye. No, please.
Oops. What we got? Yeah.
Alright, they are.
Little rat red. First bait out. Oh yeah. A little rat red.
Yep. Right.
All right. Another nice little professional release. Good job. Let's see you throw it over there near those oysters over there. Not right in them, please, but relatively close. There you go. That's perfect. Is that another little red, huh? Good job.
Is that a fish or a rock, Eli? A fish.
I think he is to have a fish.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. Good job, E. Nice one, big guy. Look at all the spots on that guy.
I'm trying to tell you, Griffin. It's drifted apart.
Some redfish are covered in spots.
Let me see this.
Oh.
Nice spotted redfish and a blue tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 spots, Eli.
No, there's 20. There's one on the top on the thing.
All right, maybe 27. I just had a bite too. You got a shark or something.
I do?
I don't know, what is our mullet? What is that? It's like a giant, oh, it's a world giant catfish. Half shark, half, oh, what do I got? A redfish. All right, keep that catfish away from me, dude. Yeah, I had a good bite. Oh, what do you got, E?
Snag.
You sure? I don't know if there's, you got a snag or a fish? I wish I could get snagged like you. Nice, dude. Nice, dude. Way to go. Now don't hoss it too much. You don't have very hard, strong line right there. Ooh, I saw that big boil way over there. What you got, big fella? All right, you don't have to hoss it like that. Just, it's up, reel, pull if you want to pull, then reel down slow. We don't even have a dip net.
There could be a school of nice fish.
Oh, that's a good fish.
What is it?
That's a big redfish. That is a nice redfish. Get him over here by Daddy. Let's see if we can,
That could be my fish.
let me see if I can hand him. That one, I think, might make the grade, Big E. All right. Don't lift him out of the water yet. Nice fish! Nice fish!
That'll definitely make it. Won't that make it?
He might be too big. We're gonna measure him up. I don't know. I'm not a good measure.
Don't say
Here, do me a favor. Let out a little line.
That's a nice
All right, just a little bit of line. All right, look at me and smile. Great job, dude. Nice. Way to go. I don't know if I don't think he's anywhere near as big as yours. Look at him. It's another little rat red. Or it might be a little rat. Yeah, it's a little rat. Where are the big ones like you catch?
In your tummies.
Oh my goodness.
This is not fair.
Look at that fighting style. Look at that fighting style. All right, remember that's light line, dude. You're fighting it like you're reeling in a grouper.
That reminds me of Blackbeard.
You over him, E? Or G? All right, don't hit him in the face with that, please. Good boy. Let's see what you got over here. We got another one for the frying pan.
Yep, probably.
Let's see if you get him over here to us.
Do I see a line?
All right, I see him too. Fish.
Good.
Could be. Taking that little drag. Okay. I might have found one of your fish, Eli.
Yay. But I think
All right.
step in the hole.
I'm casting exactly where you
Oh,
are.
that looks like a little bit deep right there. Oh, it's still
A little redfish. They're everywhere. Pretty blue tails on them. Oh, daggone. Oh, there he is.
Okay, good.
All right, he come back and got it. Yeah, you want to reel it in? Come on.
Did you take it out long?
Yeah, he's doing good.
Okay.
I think it's going to be another good fish.
Oh, God.
Help me out with that, G.
Oh, I got something to come on. And the last thing I was like, oh my God, there's a big fish right there.
Nah.
Maybe.
Took out line pretty good right off the bat.
No, but it's not really running up the street.
Maybe mango? Bigger mango?
We'll take a big mango. I'm not saying it is, but I got no problem with big mango.
No, I think this is
Oh no, it's another decent redfish. Another good looking redfish. Let's see if I can hand him in. I think he's gonna make the grade. He's gonna be
Oh, yeah.
real close.
I know.
All right. All right, keep him down low like that. Oh,
I think
he's not that big, but he took out some line. I'm gonna unhook him right here and we'll
he might be
measure him up.